Hello everybody, welcome to this session. The objective of this session is to see how to create a purchase requisition. Now the object that we need is to create a purchase requisition, material number, the quantity, the plant, the storage location and the purchasing group. So to create this purchase requisition, I'm going to use material number, prod 305, then prod 306, 306, 307, then quantity I will be using as 100 each, and the plant that I would be using is 2800. The storage location that I would be using is 0009, and purchasing group I'll be using as 000. So let's just try to create one purchase requisition. So for this, now either you can go through the SAP menu or you can go through the purchasing area menu. So let me type in the purchasing area menu, ME00. It streamlines the entire menu to purchasing only. Now I'm going into the purchasing requisition. Now here click on the first one, ME51N, that is create. So click on this. So I'm going to give the material here, prod 305, then prod 306, and prod 307, prod 308, quantity as 100 each, and then the plant has 2800, and then storage location as 0009, wow. Okay, so 0009, 0009, 0009, and then purchasing group as 000. So I'm not going to give the vendors here. Okay, so whatever we needed we have already given, and then press enter. So once you press enter, all the details will be fetched automatically. Once you have got all the details, after that just save this purchase requisition, and you can see that the purchase requisition is created. So let's just see once how the purchase requisition has been created. So to see the purchase requisition, the transaction code is ME53N. Okay, okay, so this is the purchase requisition that has been created. You can see here the purchase requisition that has been created has got all the details here. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.